Hello everybody, today we are going to be unboxing this Wild deodorant. It's a natural deodorant. I have never tried it before, but I saw it online and I thought, why not give it a try? Recently I've been using native deodorant and it works most of the time, but the problem is sometimes if you have like nervous sweat or something, I don't think it really does that good a job of preventing odor. So I decided I'm gonna go look for some other deodorants. I still really like native products, but I wanted to see if I could give another natural deodorant a try. Also, the native deodorant I think is a little bit pricey considering you have to replace it the same amount as any other $5 deodorant. So I wanted to find something that's plastic free, and Wild is. It comes with a little metal reusable deodorant container, and then you just buy refills for it, put that in there, and all of the refills are plastic free as well. So a little bit more sustainable, and that's what I was looking for. I've tried the native paper deodorant, the one that's like a cardboard sort of packaging, and I find it started to get a little bit soggy when I was keeping it by my sink because it would get splashed or whatever. And I don't like the feeling of, you know, soggy paper packaging for my deodorant. So I was like, okay, I'm going to find something else so I don't have to keep buying the plastic ones. So anyways, let's unbox this together and see if it's worth it, and I will probably do a little update video maybe in a few weeks and see how it's been wearing for me. Alright, so when I first open it, it says, hello, it's nice to meet you. It has this little how it works and all of this instruction stuff. Alright. Oh, and another really cool thing about this, the cases, because they're metal, they have the option on their website, if you want, you can get them engraved. So I had it engraved with my nickname, and there's also a bunch of different colors as well. So I went with this bluish, greenish color that I thought was really cute. So this is what the thing looks like from the inside. It's got these two buttons on the side that you can pinch, and you can twist this way. So once it twisted all the way to the left, and then squeeze both side buttons at the same time and pull the base out. Remove the outer refill sleeve. So let's take a look at this. It looks like there's some coupons in here. I think these are one-time use coupons, but if anybody wants to go ahead and give it a shot, it will take 50% off of your order. There's two little coupon codes here, so go ahead and pause the video and see if that works for you. All right, it says drum roll please. And here's the little deodorant refill. Now the one that I got, there's a couple different scents on their website, but I chose the Jasmine and Mandarin Blossom right here. It's vegan friendly and aluminum free. And then it has all of the ingredients on the back. Now this did take a little over a week to ship for me because they're based in the UK. But it was not an issue for me. All right, so then place this on the refill base. Okay, it clicked. Slide the base back into the body until you hear a click. There we go. And then twist to the right. Twist, and you can see the deodorant is now in there. there we go. This scent almost smells like soap. I really like it, but I'm also eager to try out the different scents they have, and that's one of the cool things about this company is that because you can get refills, you can just try out different scents, whatever. And I think, now I could be wrong, but the last time I checked, the refills on their website are only $6. So you just get the refill, get it shipped, and then you just put it in your little reusable deodorant case and you're good to go. So anyways, that was my little wild unboxing. This is what it looks like. So cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've used Wild before and what you think of it and the company, how it works for you, especially if you sweat a lot. Does it help with that at all? Because I've noticed sometimes natural deodorants don't always do that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Jasmine the Waffle. And don't forget to love yourself, love others, and above all, love God. Bye guys!